So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you a new tool, a new ID. Okay, Antigravity is from Google. Okay, so it is very easy to use and it is very useful for us as a cybersecurity aspirant or a cybersecurity researcher or any expert also. So if you are like want to make any tool, sort of tool, it is now very easy to use this. By using this ID you can make it on your own and you will be exploring many new things by using it. So you just need to download it from here. Okay, for Windows, Linux, everything is present, so you can just set up as per cursor. As also I have used cursor also and have a video on cursor too. Okay, so watch that also. So here I am using Antigravity. I have saved and setting up the things. Okay, as you can set up, the most useful feature here is to use any type of AI you can use here. Okay, inbuilt, and you need to just give the prompt and it will do the things on its own for from directory to package downloading, and everything will be done. But you need to choose the options correctly, as you want to do that manually or something like that. Okay, after opening you can see Antigravity wants allowance. Okay, so give it. If you are in Windows or something like in Linux, if it's asked like that, then just give allow and okay. And after that you will see something to select, like an agent or something manually or something like that. Okay, see, here it is started and it's then next. Okay, and choose the theme. Here theme type you can choose as per your own requirements. Okay, then here you can see many things listed as agent driven development or agent assisted development. As recommended, agent assisted development, or I have selected here agent driven development because it is much more proficient and much more powerful, as here it is using terminal turbo, and review is always proceed, because as I will accept and then it will build accordingly. Okay, so it is very great to use. Just sign in with Google here. Okay, and choose your account. After that you click on Google. So here you need to choose your account. After choosing your account you just need to go back and you will see that it is all done. Agree the terms and services and you are all in. Okay, so after getting in you will see a page of open folder and something like that. Okay, just here you can see many AI models are there, like JPT Gemini 3 Pro. You can use Gemini 3 Pro. It is very it is new and very useful. Okay, in terms of anything you want to do. Claude is also present here, Claude 4.5. Okay, so you can also use that too. Okay, so it is like limited for some days. After that I think it is free or something like that, I don't know, but you need to use it now, as I don't know what will happen in future. So just watch this and download it accordingly and start using it for your projects or small projects or any other thing you want to build you for cybersecurity. Okay, so as I have given it to make a small scanner as it is doing on its own. Okay, so a simple step to build a scanner, it has taken around 6 minutes and it has figured it out off. And also a great thing, it is using a very latest stack Go. Okay, Go language is very latest and it is using for scanner it is using Go. Okay, as it has selected everything on its own. It is like downloading the packages and all, everything is done on its own. Now I want to, if you are new, you don't know how to run this, you can type how to use it. Okay, you can, I have just typed here as a prompt at how to use it, and it has given to run it by going in CD network manager. Okay, just go in your terminal section. Okay, after going in terminal, just type here CD network manager. It's telling to go in CD network manager. Okay, let's see if someone is new, he can also use it, he can also work accordingly. Okay, see, now it's telling to run that particular scanner.exe file. Okay, see, if you, it has mentioned that this will scan all the IPs in this particular IP format. Okay, and if you want to make any type of changes in the code, remember to rebuild it. Okay, so the rebuild command is go build as o scanner.exe. Okay, so you can use it accordingly. See, I am running it like it will scan the whole IP here. Okay, see, it is scanning network in 192.168.31.0/24, which means all 2256 IPs in it particular way. Okay, So it started from 1 2, then it will go to 254 or 255 like that. Okay, so here all open ports in host 1 is found and 2 is also found. That's all here. Open ports given here and scan is completed. So there is no GUI, but it has made specifically in a great manner. Thanks for watching video. In next video, till then, bye.